on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
Hello YouTube, this is Deepika from Nothing Wired and we are at the grand launch of Vivo's new flagship device Vivo V9. So here's the new Vivo V9. It's a pretty decent looking phone with some new good added features from the rest of the phones till now launched by Vivo. So as usual, Vivo is giving a very nice 24 megapixel front camera with a full view display, and a notch has been added and there is a 19:9 aspect ratio now. Now there are two cameras at the back as well, and there is an AI added for the cameras. In this video, we'll unbox Vivo V9 and see the first impressions of it. So as we know, Vivo makes phones which are more camera centric, and it always has a very high megapixel in the front cameras. So this phone also has a 24 megapixel front camera. It says perfect shot, perfect view. As the image says, you can see there's a notch which has been added to this device now, which is very similar to the iPhone 10. And so the ratio of the screen aspect ratio becomes 19:9. In the AI technology is also added to enhance the performance of the image quality and the experience of the camera. So come, let's unbox this new Vivo V9. Okay, so on the top of the box we get this one more box. Let's see what's inside. So here we get a decent quality back cover, plastic. Along with that, we get a quick start guide and the important information warranty card. Here there are some more things which are mentioned. So it says front 24 megapixel, rear camera is 16+5, battery is 3260, dimensions, and you can see the SAR value here. So here's the new Vivo V9. Nice decent looking phone. We'll come back to the phone in a while. So we get a charger of 5 volt 2 ampere output. So as usual, there is a micro USB cable. It would have been better if it was a C type cable. Along with that, you get a decent pair of earphones. This shape, I personally like this shape. So these were the contents of the box. So this is the all new Vivo V9. This is a nice sleek looking device. 150 grams is the weight. Back is a metal body and front it's glass. Looks quite premium. These edges, curved edges and the linings drawn are adding a lot of premium look to the device. And there's already a pre-installed screen guard. This is the gold color and the finishing is matte but quite smooth. So it's a 6.3 inch screen, but it is not at all heavy. It is not at all heavy to hold in the hand, and you'll be able to do one hand operations quite easily. If we see on the top, there is a earpiece, 24 megapixel front camera and the proximity sensor. The shortcut keys are inbuilt inside the screen. On the right side there's a power button and volume rocker, nice metallic tactile feedback. And on the left side there's this SIM tray slot. Let's open this and see how the SIM tray slot is. Okay, so there's a dedicated microSD card slot and 2 nano SIMs. On the bottom bar there's the micro USB port, 3.5mm audio jack, mic and the speaker grill. On the top there's nothing here. Back we have a 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual camera setup and a dual LED flash, Vivo tagging and the fingerprint sensor. Let's on the screen here reduce the brightness a bit. So after the reduced brightness also it is quite sharp and bright. Screen looks nice and glossy. It's a 6.3 inch full HD plus full view display, 19:9 aspect ratio. and you can see the colors, viewing angle is decent. Let's go to the settings. So this phone has Fun Touch OS 4.0 version, model number. It runs on 8.1.0 Android version, that is Android Oreo. 4 GB RAM. Battery is 3260 mAh. This is slightly on the lower side. It should have been at least a 4000 mAh battery, because the screen size is big. It will consume a little more battery. So and there is no fast charging option also, so the battery could have given a little more. Processor is a 2.2 GHz Snapdragon 626 octa-core processor, and GPU is Adreno 506. So on the back, it's a 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual camera setup. So this I'm clicking from the fingerprint sensor. There's no lag. Shutter voice is very nice and crisp and fast as well, so no issues there. So on the left you have options of flash, HDR, portrait mode, live photo, and there's some more options here: slow mo, dock, ultra HD, and time lapse. And these are some more settings. Let's see what all modes are here. First of all, there's a professional mode, that's the pro mode, in which you can do a lot of adjustments like ISO, white balance, autofocus. Then there is panorama, face beauty, normal photo option, video, and this is a new feature which is added, AR stickers. So let's switch to the front camera. Here you can see there is not ample light in this room. There's only one source of light which is coming from here. Then to the color capture is all even and nice. It's a 24 megapixel camera, so the selfies are really nice. And there is this AI feature also added, which is artificial intelligence, which will gradually enhance your experience of using the camera. As in, when you will use the camera, it will track the way you use your camera, and will keep on enhancing the. So I always love selfies from Vivo. Let's see what all options are here in the front camera. First of all, there's a pro mode as well in the front camera. There's a group selfie option, face beauty option, normal take photo, videos, and AR stickers also in the front. On the left hand, there's the flash option, HDR. You have portrait selfie mode. That means you can click good bouquet effect selfies with the front camera. There's live photo option in the front also, and these are some additional settings. And there are some pre-installed color filters as well.
So guys, this was the first look of Vivo V9. It will be available on Amazon. The pre-bookings have already started, and the price expected is between 21,000 to 25,000. So this is it for this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and bye.